So,
Okay, so what you should do, if the people are asking for refund, maybe you should find a way to speak to them and get it resolved.
so,
You cannot pay everything. Maybe you should just talk to them, apologize to the people that are coming out, because a lot of persons have been coming out since yesterday saying that you scam them, stuff like that. Me, I don't really know about all this because
okay,
my TikTok got hacked, so I have to open another new one.
okay.
You should just the basic truth is that for your mental health, because of the truth is driving you, yes, and it's getting to you. That's the truth.
Thank you, Mr. Philip. You're asking me why did I off my comment section? People are coming here insulting their parents on my comment section, and you want me to leave my comment section? I not seen that.
Why they are no identity, sorry. I don't think he wants to play. Like I said, now he wants to bring people in the settle. Not people they fight. Now Saga King, like those people, all those Edo people.
How can you come to TikTok and insult somebody on their live stream and you want the person to leave the comment section? That's not nice now. That's not nice, okay? Mr. Enoge, I've told you that I'm sorry for insulting you. I told you. So I don't know why you're still on your page.
The apology is not accepted.
Why are you calling me a scammer? Did I scam you?
Yes, you scam me. Hello. I will lay curse on you too.
Did I scam you?
I will lay this one not say that. This one not say that Juju will take the heat. Where that this thing? If that Juju I dare game oh. If that Juju this one not say. Oh wow. May they use the play content. I go punish you. Yes, I'm showing.
I'm still trying to see whether you can stop all these things that you're doing.
Lay curse on me and I will lay thousands on you. Yes, I'm here.
Kind of exchanging words like this, it does not really matter.
Why would you be scamming people? Maybe begin to bring people up. Why did they want this one? And then like bar. God bless you. She's proving stubborn. She's not even feeling remorseful for shit.
I don't like people that are using that word on you.
You see,
word on you.
Yes, I have things I do on my page. I have things I do on my page, okay?
Why can't you say sorry? Why?
Yes, I have people.
Nobody needs a sorry. She's a thief. She has to refund them. Nobody needs a sorry. Her sorry will not do anything for anybody. I told you she's not sorry. She's only sorry because she got caught. This girl, she has to refund the money because she's bringing disgrace to Nigerian women. She's not sorry. She's sorry because she got caught. If she wasn't caught, she would not be sorry.
God
and she hasn't seen any dragging yet. She's still there making mouth. Are you stupid? You stole from people who are innocent and vulnerable. You are still there.
This woman don't scam people money. 3,000 euros.
No conscience, no remorse. How dare you?
I mean, they plan to say me you go grow your AI account for there.
Mike, Mike, schooled abroad. No, because she's not even sorry. She's still saying this, that. Refund half of their money for Christ's sake. You don't do that.
Mama, if I get one of my students, the way even call they thank me this night saying, "Now me save her, if you want go pay, if they try save, you want go pay."
Well done.
Now I can't tell us
I should just find for nothing. Beautiful thief. That's so disgusting. She's still being mouthy and saying, "Why you?" I said sorry. And Nugget don't need your sorry. Pay back the people you stole from. Give them at least half of the coins. That is humanity. Correct. That's being fair.
I already told you.
You're right. I've got 2 people she scammed.
You can't say you're in UK, you're doing this. Why don't you go to school and go get a job in UK? You are a disgrace.
You know
and I hope you get deported and know what poverty is in Nigeria.
If you know that this woman has scammed you, please
So
come on.
I've got 2 people she scammed. I've got 2 people she scammed, and I've got evidence.
I don't even imagine that. It is so unfair. She's not sorry. You are in UK. You got a good life, you got the lights, you are
One is in Germany. I've got the text messages. I've got everything.
When we listen to love me. Love me.
So
we are talking about to scammer here.
Good evening, everyone.
They gossip your papa. Nonsense. I beg, love me, please.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Why are they listening?
So basically, 4 days ago, I came across this lady's page on TikTok on my FYP. So and I saw she wrote on her page that no gifts. And she was saying something that on TikTok, people will be going to all those people that will be saying level up, level up, level up. And then she was saying something that I now stood there. So let me listen to what she was saying. I said, let me listen to what she seems like an honest person. But this woman was very, very rude. She was rude. I had mixed feelings about her. I was there on her page for quite some time. I didn't really understand what she was really, really into. So I wrote on the comment section. I said, please, may I know what you do on your page? So someone attacked me on the page and said, what do I want to know? Why do I want to know? So I became very curious. Okay. I was there for a few minutes. I thought she had calculators. She told people, go to Google, bring the granite. You know, she was rude. I mean, the lady is rude. So I now shared her link to a friend of mine. I said, come, let's check this woman out. Let's know what she's up to. Because I'm new on TikTok. So I was there. She now checked my page. She now said, what do I want? I said, well, I want to know what you do here. I'm new on TikTok and I would like to, start monetizing. She now said, okay, I have followers that I have 9-something followers. As of then, it was 9-something thousand followers. That I don't need to, that I should go and join her fan page. And I said, okay, no problem. But unluckily for me, I was not able to join her fan page. My bank wouldn't let me join her fan page. So my friend that I shared her page to came to her page. As soon as my friend came to her page, my friend didn't even settle down to listen to her properly. I told my friend, I said, don't do anything with this lady. My spirit is not taking this lady. This lady is rude. She's insulting everybody on her page. Don't do it. I don't know how she convinced my friend, told my friend to bring 20K granite. My friend should go to Google, bring 20K granite. So my friend went, my friend told her she didn't have, they were negotiating. My friend now went to Google, bought for 5K granite, sent it to her. So my friend now came back to me and said, I have sent her 5K granite. I said, why would you do that? I'm going to call this long shot. So when my friend went back and told her, no, I don't want to do it anymore, she told my friend, no, that my friend must complete it. She has to complete it, that she cannot come back and say she's not doing again. After she's gone, people have advised her, now she's coming to say she's not doing again. As I speak to you, this lady says she's not going to give her the 5K granite that this girl has paid. Well, that passed. So there's another guy I met on her page. We became friends on her page. So 3 days ago, and the guy was talking. The guy now sent me all the evidence of how he paid the lady. I have it on my phone because I said I was going to drag the lady on my page. That I would try my possible to drag the lady on my page. So the guy sent me all the evidence of how he paid. The guy lives in Germany. He sent me all the evidence how he paid this lady, how this lady has not given her the people that he promised her that he's going to give her. So that one I have my evidence. I have all the evidence of my phone because I plan to drag this lady on TikTok. I said, I know I don't have big followers, but we even reported her. We reported her to TikTok that the TikTok said they don't have any evidence. They don't have any evidence to nail on her. So there was nothing they could do. So yeah, I have the evidence. 2 people
Sorry, yeah. And look, let me educate your ladies here. 2 minutes, I'll go down. First of all, even if you have 50,000 followers and your organic followers are 5K, TikTok is going to count only 5K followers. Even if you have 1 million views and all the views are fake except 2 views, TikTok knows you have only 2 views. Nothing, those things are being done just to create awareness to your page or traffic, but not to be monetized by TikTok. TikTok does not recognize fake followers and fake views. Only organic. And do you know why she asked you guys to go to Google? This girl is a smart, beautiful thief because she doesn't want to leave no trace. She will tell them in court, you all willingly gifted her coins. That's why she didn't give you her account number. She's a thief and a smart one at that. So go to Google, she will tell the court, they like what I was doing, they gifted me. And TikTok will never find a trace, so don't bother. But one thing we say, if you not pay, make una go swear for her. Because in the court of law, you can't win her because she played a very smart one. But please, nothing like fake followers, organic followers. It does not grow your page. Only organic counts towards TikTok account. Please don't fall victims again. I beg. Thank you.
I didn't fall victim. Luckily, if I didn't fall victim, all I wanted to know what she was doing on that page was because she said, because of the way she was talking, saying that she's rescuing people, that the people that are going to other people's pages that are going to give them gifts, that are saying level up. That no, that's not how they do it on TikTok. There's no, you people go and spend your money on those people that have many followers. You now come here and the lady is very, very. I didn't fall victim of her because I had mixed feelings about her. The way she talked, the lady is rude. No. This lady is super rude. She's too rude. No. There was no way she could have. I mean, I would have given her my money. Not in that condition. Okay. But I have 2 people.
And this same rudeness, so now they make me the beat am. Now this same rudeness, so now they join everything they make me the beat am. She lacks respect. She not even the look person, the rich person at all.
Yesterday when I went on her page, I heard somebody was saying that. Bros, somebody was saying, you don't know that barrister you've just insulted. I said, yes, good, very well, because I've been following her for the past 4 days. Somebody was telling her, you don't know that man that you've just insulted on your page. I said, good. I said, God, hand on me this lady. Like, say she don't insult person way past her. You know, so she's been, she has not had rest since yesterday, because I've been following her since 4 days now. I've been going to her page, monitoring what she's doing. So, yeah, if she's, a lot of people have been sending messages, don't do it with her. I don't know, some people are still falling victim. And she has women that will come on her page and be say, oh yeah, this woman is a good woman. They are working together. This woman is a good woman, don't doubt her. Somebody even followed me from her page to my inbox and said, anything she said, do it. Oh, she's a good woman. I've been following her for many, and this person has just 300 followers. This person that followed me from my page to my page has 300 followers and is telling me, anything she tell you, do it. Oh, don't listen to her. I said, listen to her. I said, no, sorry, I won't do it. You don't need to follow me. I won't do it.
God bless you.
I won't do it. I won't
Next person.
Good evening, sir. This is Z. Good evening, sir. Z.
Yes.
I'm the one she scammed on the 27th of this month.
All your video, not they see you. Because we not they do blind fight here.
Okay.
She need to see you, make sure they see you so that you bring the matter to me.
Good evening, everyone. Now, me she scam on the 27th of this month. That was last week Friday. So unknown to me, I don't even know anything about say she be scammer. So when I go to her page, she gonna talk say she gonna tell one man we get 10,000 followers. She gonna tell the man say, bros, I give you 10,000 followers. You no come back again. See this yeye man, no. She was not laughing. I was like, maybe this thing is real low. So the next thing now, I now commented. I said, ma, how can I get boost my followers? She said, go to Google and buy granite. I said, ma, what is granite? He said, buy coin, TikTok coin. I said, okay. So initially, he did not explain anything to me. She only said, go there and get 5,000 coin. I said, okay. Immediately I got it. I get back to her and I told her that I already got in the coin, 5,000. She said, go back again and get 50,000 coin. I said, 50,000 coin, 160 something euro. I don't have such amount. The next thing, this woman dropped me and went off the live. The next 1 minute, she posted on her live and said, I want to go and power my light. I'll be coming back. I want to go and power my light. I said, this woman, they power light for UK again. I be where she did. My eye clear. It be like, say, they pour me water. I did for road. I can't. They cry. I say, hey, they don't scam me. They don't scam me. They don't scam me. People were just looking at me. So that was how I became a victim. So I chatted the pa. So I begged the pa that please, I want to create an awareness. She scammed me 50 cents on Friday, on the 27th of March, last Friday. That was when she scammed me. That was when I contacted a pa and said, please, sir, I want you to create this awareness. Because if a pa had created their awareness before, I will not be a victim because I watch a pa every time. So I know he has a big fan page. That's why I brought the issue to him. Thank you, sir.
God will bless you. Yes, next person, Lucy.
Good evening, sir. Wetin I want to talk be say now since last year now she don dey do this work. Since last year, even me say she don block me because I come let her. Since last year, even some people
not tell me.
Since last year, as in if you enter this woman live stream, she sabi sweet maths. If you dey sweet match you for here and you go dey use command, na command dey follow you go if you dey FYP you go even dey imagine say I been na just you still dey follow all these people dey talk. You go say, yeah, go and buy the coins now. Go. Hey, you. Now I've given you 10K. Now you have run. Now so she dey do sweet maths. Since last year, now she don dey thief. Once you all notice say you all comment say this is not true, almost she will all give you blocking once. She go block you. She will come you start come brainwash the other people wey see the view. Say no mind them, they no want make money online. Now so that they do. If they see people who want try to make money, they go try to want discourage that person. Epa, since last year, this girl take be thief. This amazing family.
She has people she's working with. She has ally.
Epa, thank you. I just say I can't tell you this one. Thank you. I beg draw her well.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, Becky.
This lady inside last year she was advertising followers based on I live in Austria, so I was like, okay, TikTok shop, I will be able to get from 10,000 followers I will get TikTok shop. So while she's advertising, there is an Indian guy that I believe, but I'm not sure, that she used to buy followers from. You understand? The guy too will be advertising that you should come and buy followers inside her own life. Or the guy is listening there. There's an Indian guy there. You know, then now you'll be thinking, okay, she's telling you you should pay like 200 euros to get followers. Then the guy will be advertising his own. You understand? If you not look well, now you go fall for two trap. You get? So then if people come up to ask questions, she will block. Then at a time she said, okay, WhatsApp group, will create WhatsApp group and stuff. Inside the WhatsApp group, she will still advertise again, okay, that we're going to create a group now. So when you are going live, you know, each person will come and support, like meeting. You understand? You know that everybody need to get their money ready. This that, like this. The scam just keep going on, and I don't think it's last year this woman started it, because it's when I noticed. That's when I start making research, and some people from the UK already start making video about her. You know, and I don't know, but this woman, she's TikTok cannot ban her account because she's making money for TikTok as well. You know, so that's it. People should just be careful. Like, don't buy followers, and everything is robotic. It's not real people. After immediately you get the 10,000 followers, if you check the next day, your followers will start dropping. Till today, say my followers still they drop from 10K now. They drop every day. They drop. So please, everybody should be careful out there.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Next.
Epa, good evening, sir.
Big Epa, you never reach your turn. Lucy.
Good evening, sir. Respect to you. Actually, she did scam me, but I saved more than 20 people from her hands. I saved more than 20. At the point I was going, I think some of my students are here. I've shared the life. There are many of them here right away as I talk to you. There are people I've saved. They are in my platform. I'm trying to share the life of someone. There's a barrister, Mommy Kishin. She was also scammed by this lady. But what I was doing is, when I pass through her platform, what I do is I always go to the comment section. The moment I see somebody who is trying to be victimized by her, I go directly to their DM and I chat them. That's what I was doing. I did a lot. A good number of them are on the comment section. The people I save, Anita and the rest. There are so many. There's another lady I save, and most of the people I save are women. A good number of them are women, but the reality is that people are desperate to make money on TikTok, and we need to educate people. I've actually been looking for an opportunity like this to get somebody who can be able to come out like you. Let us talk and create awareness about this lady, but I didn't get anybody. My two accounts, she has blocked me. I used my backup account to go and continue saving people. He blocked me, but that was the mission I have been. I've been looking for an opportunity where I can get 2-3 people who can be able to sit and talk about this lady. But in reality, I also want to use this moment and tell us that TikTok does not pay you for getting. That is the reality. TikTok does not pay you for getting a lot of friends. It is your creativity, the value you are adding to people that enable people to subscribe to you. Now, a good number of our young girls are desperate to make money on the app, and that is why they are falling for all these cheap traps. Creativity, joining a community that has capacity and quality is what will help you. That's why we take you to the next level. But we need to be very careful. Let us not be desperate. Because TikTok does not pay you for getting the highest level. If you are even in level 50, TikTok will not pay you. When you connect with the right people, you go to right places, you engage with amazing people, you will make a bigger name for yourself on this app. So that is one thing we need to know. And it is good that you have taken this initiative. I applaud you, sir. Keep it up. I have the confidence now to even come out and talk about this lady on my platform. I just needed somebody who will start and then we'll go together. But otherwise, I will refer a lot of people with evidence who have been scammed by this particular lady on your platform, so that you have a one-on-one interaction with them. There are many of them. I've shared the live stream with many. I hope they will join us. Sorry for anybody who has been scammed, and for those who are new on TikTok, let us be careful. When you go to any platform and you begin to tell people that I'm new on TikTok, 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 to other people is when you are in level 0 on TikTok, you are already a vulnerable person. When they look at your level 0 and you are desperate, they are going to use that level against you and scam you because you are desperate to make money. There's no money on this TikTok that you are going to pluck. You work hard to earn what you want on TikTok. Let us just be careful and let's connect with the right people and forgetting that there's life outside TikTok. My mommy is here. She's down on the comment section, Mommy Iron Man. I have shared the life to her. She knows about this woman very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, my brother. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Respect. Yes, I can hear you. Thank you so much for the audience. Thank you.
Please, we are not going to leave this woman. I need a city name where she lives in the UK.
I live in the UK. I'm trying to get her location. I sent a friend of mine to her page the other day, and she told the girl that your face look familiar. I think I know you. So now the girl has just been going there, talking to her, acting all, oh, you know me, okay. Let's see where it's gonna get to. So I live in the UK, and I'm trying to find out where exactly she lives, because that woman needs to be taught a lesson.
Of course. She really needs to be taught a lesson.
I bet make I talk. If I talk, so I will calm down. If I no gay. Since last year, now what did they do be that? Not be only how. There is another lady called what be a TikTok name again? I don't know.
All of them since last year. Now they follow up. All of them. They scam people. Not be all those one way still they use affiliate. I be waiting they say the way they scam people. As this brother just talk just now. Now waiting all of them they do be that. So I'm really happy that people are coming out to really talk about it. You understand? Yes. So I appreciate you, Panoge. Talk about where at least the attention has drawn to you now. You know, to say people are coming, you know, there are people who are really working hard on TikTok to make ends meet, you know, and again, people who are not coming out on TikTok, they are working hard, you know, in their private life to make their money. So somebody will not just sit on the live video, you know, say go on TikTok, go on go on TikTok, go on they will scam the person. This woman now, she live in UK, she can go and work. She can work. If she's not working, that is, she can go and work and see how hard it is to make money. You know, I live in the UK. To work as a carer or as any job to earn £10 per hour or £15 per hour, you will sweat. So they cannot just come and scam. Look at this lady that says it's scammer 50 something euro. That's a big money here. It's like £60 here or 50 something pound here in the UK. You know, so really we really need to start reporting them. If we are not reporting them, they will just think that it's okay to go around and scam people. That's what I want to say, my dear brother. God bless you.
Sorry, ma'am. The painful part is she's talking down on the people that are working, the people that are there are people that work and people that are doing care job. Telling them, look at you doing care job.
Yes, doing 9 to 5 job.
The lady is no. That lady is no. That lady no. She is talking down on people. In fact, that was where my heart broke. How can you be talking down on people that are doing their job legitimately?
That are helping you. People that are helping you.
Today that I'm not ashamed of myself. She told me today that I'm not ashamed of myself. I'm a cleaner in an hotel. And I told her that it's the same money they paid me in an hotel. That was the same money you stole. She said I'm not ashamed of myself. I'm working as a cleaner. What do you expect me to do? I live in Italy, for crying out loud, and you are telling me I work as a cleaner?
She said people will be going to give all those big platforms their money. They'll be going to give all those big platforms their money. Aye.
Pape.
She even talked about when I came across her life.
One by one.
I don't do yes.
I don't do yes 100 years ago.
Wait.
I beg, if I need talk, you talk.
Pape, good evening.
Yes. Good evening, Annie.
See, I entered this woman live video today. Because you don't see why don't you see this woman, people they talk about her, because she scam people, blah 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 blah. So I did her live today, she did talk, and I said, okay, make her climb. So I enter her live. Immediately I came up, she now asked, I now told her, please, apart from 10K followers, what other thing do you offer?
Yes.
She said, if I give you the 10K followers, then from there we can kick up, you will join my community, then we can kick up from there. So that is it. There is no need. As she was talking, she was holding her other phone. I believe she was checking my page. She was checking my page to actually see if I'm up to 10K followers. So she was not replying me that, if I give you the 10K followers and then we will kick off from there, you will join my community. There's no need of you people coming here to quarrel. It's business I'm doing. She just dropped me. I say, you. And I wrote on the comment section, Mommy, I never learned finish. If I learn. This woman won't reply me again. I keep writing her. I say, Mommy, bring me up. I want to learn. She did not reply me again. And the problem I have with this woman is the audacity for stealing.
I swear, like she took get confidence.
The audacity where this woman gets, now they pay me for body. Now, even people from Nigeria, do you know that people from Nigeria will come to her life and they will tell her, I want to get 10K followers. I want you to take me to 10K followers. This woman will even tell you, say, that go where you they go, money where they go collect for your hand at 300,000. She will not tell you. She will only tell you, go to Google. When you reach there, subscribe 20,000 coins. Come and gift it to me. Then from there,
And funny part, she comes and show you people evidence that I've made 500, I've made 100. Where are you making those money from? Those money now money where people take they gift you. Now you
Exactly.
show people. Those money are the gift that you've collected from people. That's what you're showing people. You don't make any money on TikTok. Me, I do TikTok shop too. How much did they see for the TikTok shop? How much do you even make from your monetized Europe account? How much do you make? This woman will tell you, go and the subscribers she's giving to you, all of them are robots.
Jesus.
You go sit down for live video, 100 people they watch you, and you want this person 10K followers.
Hey.
It's when I saw how rude this woman is. Now I'm paying me make I come up for here because this woman is so rude. She will not only insult you, she will insult your 20,000 coins.
I said yesterday, this woman give me the insult of my life.
I tell you.
Good evening. This
woman will insult your 20,000 coins.
Wait.
Madam, see, Pape, they do one thing. Pape, I want to follow your footsteps. I want to confess. Pape, they do one thing. If you bring person up you know to understand, you go say, come, who they speak the person language. Come up, may you explain. This person know they understand English finish because they depressed. At this point, this woman is about to face depression. So I want to speak to her in a language to understand.
God bless you, honey. Continue.
I'm speaking for you, Papi. Madam, I am a Calabar girl, married to an Igbo man. So let me talk to you in a language you understand. Igbo. It has just located on your live video. Nejindi madonyori. Chineke ga pogoku. Chineke ga pogoku. That is your idin no. Ezigbo to onyori. Onyori people. Onyori. Chineke ga pogoku. I want to take the footstep of my mother. Your children will take your footstep. I want to be better than my family. Your children will become like you. You see the way you're scamming people, your children will take over from you. They will scam people. You see those your children when you brush, maybe you get picky. Man will scam in toto. As it is scamming toto, you go scamming money join them. Man will scam all your children because you're a very wicked woman. You're evil.
That woman has no peace right now. She has no peace.
Very wicked. You go they scam people. You go they insult them. Join. You get money. You get money. Now you sit down. They tell people to give you 20,000 coins. No wonder you are a single mother. Because you've scammed your husband family, they throw you out. They don't pursue you for marriage because you're a scammer. Who know whether you don't go tell your sister-in-law to give you 20,000 coins, you don't know say a family member because of thief. They don't pursue you for marriage. You will suffer. Now pay how you enter. We go beat you till body go weak you. You never see anything. Thank you.
Madam, I know because of amazing because they insult us who will be single mother because you don't
I'm not single mom as well.
Yeah, because straight bullet don't go touch us. Who will be single mother? We don't receive straight bullet because of amazing.
No, let's do it.
Big empire, tell us your own.
Pape, na swear na come swear for amazing because you don't drive my friend come out for TikTok. I call my friend today say the girl our part of the dragon. Now my friend gonna tell me say make I ma they go with me and those our TikTok people so amazing no better for you when you drive my friend come out for this TikTok. Madam, I beg you help me borrow me your Igbo course I beg. Chineke okpogoku how you take talk again. Madam, let me swear that Igbo swear I beg for him. Talk everything when you talk I beg. All this swear am again.
See I'm amazing Vanny. In your live video,
for scamming beauty friend. Talk like that.
Beauty friend. No, it's a wicked woman. It is very wicked.
That's true.
For scamming Z.
For scamming Z. That's true. I think my account and say no better for her because I don't drive my friend come out for TikTok. Small thing to wake up my friend with the man is small. This I will give her the other of my car. Amazing, don't drive her finally. You know better for you, amazing. As this woman touching the kapogoku, onyoshi.
Amazing thief.
Amazing thief.
From today, her name is Amazing Thief.
She said she has.
If you fall for this woman treat, you are your own. Oh. Anything don't make you give this woman coins. Promise you say what give you follower. You all know say your money don't enter voice me.
She
Just
said
get
Nike. She said she has something with Nike. Nike.
Where?
She put the Nikes on top of the fridge that she's doing. I don't know what she said she's doing with Nike. What's that thing?
That's a very big lie. Person will say the leg never strong for UK. Wait till they recharge lights for UK. He made a pay bill every month. They do recharging. Epa, you remember now all those Nigerians, no be so that they go they recharge.
Yes.
So now two different ways that they do it for UK. Say that you recharge your lights and your gas, or you they pay every month.
That is
Useless guy, nothing money they pay every month. Go they recharge 10 euro, 20 euro.
That is her tactics. That is what she do to disconnect people from her life. That is what
since she came across this, that woman has
Can I talk, guys?
Papu on top another picture. A papu on another picture.
Guys.
And then both they see her well.
MC Keke, please wait. Let me say what I want to say so I will go down. So, Epa, I met this girl last year. We make friends on TikTok. We are gisting Igbo to Kwale. I'm Kwale, and she's Igbo.
Yeah.
Then she make one comment to me and said, I can make friends. She can send me friends for 700 coin. Me that she want to sell 700 coin, that I have 500 followers. She have 300. Since then, I did not even answer her. I just keep her quiet. Till yesterday, I saw her again.
I know, madam. You said, may you give her 700, may you send you friend request, and may they give you friends.
May they give me followers. Oh, I speak pidgin English. May she take give me followers. That I know they even they come live safe. Now once in a while, now people live now they join. Then yesterday I can't come across a post her picture. I can't go back to her profile, go look whether na she or no be she. I can't confirm say na she. This evening now I get notification from her say she did live. Now I go listing. She did there. I even see this sugar baby or something like that. She was there also. She was busy talking to the woman. I keep quiet. I did there. I not feel bear for comment section again, so I send her request. Maybe she not remember my name because then I was putting my husband name with my name together. So now I changed my name and I went to her again. Immediately she just remember my voice as I just tell her, come you want to collect money for people hand. They give their followers, or they're supposed to follow back, or they're going to join people live, or you want a thief. Now I say, if now you not get platform you for come here, now so she ought to block me. Now God go punish you. She just did that they cost me, and they use 2 pages. They wash her. They insult me for one, she blocked me for one. I send a request again with the other page. The same thing, and she just noticing on me. The same thing that happened. So, Enoge, I really appreciate what you are doing. I really appreciate. I want to say thank you for really telling the people what to do. And most of us, we know they get sense. Till something happen to us before we they get sense. People go they talk, we know they believe. And more than stop to the 4 victims. Once you dey find followers, try to dey enter people life. They comment, even if you not get money to buy gift, tap, double tap, now something. Now that one I get to talk. Now bye bye. Now good night. Thank you very much, Epa. All of you now where they comment section, I really appreciate. Thank you.
You do well. Thank you. Thank you.
Epa, no get good evening.
Yeah. Good evening, Jenny.
You see this thing when I said for you today.
I say now tomorrow I want to post messages upon messages.
That 10 euro one day. If he tell you say he go carry you join community and you go see subscribe with 10 euro when you go take put you for the community. And that community it not even they exist. It not they exist.
Bust my head.
Yes, that community not they exist. I tell you, but tell you say subscribe to his community so that he go they tell you what to do, how to do content, how to create content. Say and the member of the community, if you dey live, they'll come they gift you, come they send you diamonds, come they send you universe a lot. And a lie.
Jesus.
So now make I say I see screenshot the 10 euro joiner. Make you see everything from there.
Yes.
Yeah. So that Dr. Emmanuel yesterday, you know hear from
that one don't use back, they move ahead. When that one can see how much people don't take, a lot of people not get my number, they for don't send me things. The money when we don't calculate, they go like 3,008.
That one make peace yesterday. Never.
This is not 50 euro, 100 euro matter.
I they laugh. Maybe this is na 100 euro matter. Now they talk about.
You don't do that. You don't extort money from people. And tell them how to cry. All those people and they still say they defend this girl. Then they plan her together. They are friends.
Yes, exactly.
She has that luck. She has people.
They are business associates. So be very careful of her because I just say my use and make awareness for like 1 week.
Yes, exactly. So that make it save people.
So that if anybody tell me after that 1 week, say, Epa, I will saga you.
Yes.
Because you know, if it also you don't see the way people today talk about this woman, that she's a scammer. Go to big platforms, gift them. From there, people will know you. You don't need to go and give them for followers. No. If not for victim, I go saga now. Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Love me. Please, I really need that.
Sorry, I forgot. I had to change my name because of her. I had to change my name because she knew my other name, so I had to change my name so I can go back to her page. And I'm going to change my name back to what it was. I had to change my name because of her. I'm going to go back to her page. That lady she's terrible. She is terrible. But we're in the UK. We're trying to see how we can trace her. I'm looking for 1 or 2 persons that will. I mean, UK is a very small place. Sorry?
Yes. That is what I want. You see this? You see the scope which they use. The scope what this lady they use.
Ryan,
like
thank you.
She not go want me you get her account. She not go want me you get her WhatsApp. She go write up for her TikTok say no gift. But when you tell her that you want to grow your account because she's the one who is doing the business, she go tell her say she dey do her account. You know, the simple they come up say thank you. I don't need to follow us. They plan now. They are plan work. Jennifer wey dey here now say I won't really reach 10K. He say but now the thing don dey go 6,000. Followers wey supposed to dey increase dey decrease. I am Mark. I see you.
It they decrease every day. Every day before you wake up, the followers don dey fall. They fall.
People of their hard money.
And it never fall finish. Oh.
Stop it.
Now they did now wish they need to jail her. That thing when they do so na scam. Fraud.
Very love. Tell us your own point of view.
Okay, fine. Good evening.
Good evening.
I actually climbed the lady's life yesterday, and when she did talk, I advised her that she should go and talk to Ipainodi because Ipainodi is a man of truth. I don't know. I used my other account today, so you don't know that it's me. I told her, so she was kind of trying to defend herself. Me, I already know that this one, they're plenty now. That they are food you shall know them with the way she talks. So this evening too, I also climbed her platform. I was trying to advise this idiot, like she provoked me. I did try to advise her. She did talk say the message where she sent you. Now me even tell her me she send you message, they apologize, give you yesterday.
Okay.
Now me even tell her say, you know they not be small pikin, you know they go drag you for this TikTok, they go ban you. I can't advise her. She can't say, okay, I can't message her, say, try and go and talk to that man.
Yesterday.
Settle all your conflicts. She said, okay. So then I climb, make her advise this girl. This rat. She won't tell me. I did tell her, say, if I don't give you the laugh. I did try to tell her, say, people where they come out, see many evidence they come out say you scam them. She said, why I go use the word scam? I said, not be waiting you do people.
For she to defend herself, she go dey quarrel.
I just tired.
This was exactly what happened yesterday.
Then she
Let
said,
me tell you something amazing. Until you come out publicly to apologize to all the people that you have offended, I'm not going to leave you. I'm not going to leave you. As I tell you TikTok crew today, now so I'll tell a Message Johnson. Now so I'll tell all the people that they play game. Now so I'll tell today no. Until people know say you be full-time scammer. Because people are still falling for your stupidity. Yes. TikTok. I don't make TikTok it now follow you. You know that one I do then it's okay. We are progressing.
You say you can't do anything. You say you can't just dragging on a page that you can't do anything.
Okay, I know the truth of the matter. I know the girl you're close at TikTok. See, me, I don't work for where
They brag, oh.
they
You say, can't do anything.
She's already having mental health.
Let's see how it goes. If I don't feel do you anything, let's see how it goes. Continue to prove stubborn. People will continue to write 419.
Exactly.
419, you go the block, you go tire. For block.
You know, she doesn't have peace. She don't get rest of mind. She don't get
peace. She don't
talk to her children.
Yes, yesterday when she was in the hotel, she was shouting at them.
Yes.
I've been following her since I knew this lady. I make sure I sleep for her page, though, because I want to know what she's
doing. She's a single mother. She's a single mother.
Yeah, she is.
Okay, she's okay.
Can you imagine?
They're no longer together with your husband.
So because you are not now your character make you leave your husband.
She's so rude, they know. Jesus, very rude. You know what she do me? I know they tell her. She say, "Why you go put a message for this?" And I say,
"Una where they go there, una go see what una dey fight for there." Since una not dey contented with wetin una get.
She's been doing this for 3 years.
Una go shop with her attire.
3 years.
I might not be lying. I might not reach ground. That woman no get
the live stream. I know what they tell her. Share the live stream. This guy is a scammer. She's a scammer.
I dey invite one boy. I dey invite the boy in question. The boy in question. I dey invite him so that he come here.
I bet make a quick round up before you drop me.
Yeah, round up.
She said you put a message. And I say, if I no get a man of truth, he must definitely tell his fans wetin you discuss with her for back door.
I was there when you were telling her yesterday. I was there all through.
This one is even today. I was telling her, she wan just tell me. She say why I use the word scam. She just drop me. She say make I get her. She just drop me. Now they tell her, say I didn't advise you.
If she not be scam, why that word they pay her for me?
She's been doing this for 2 years.
We make her insult me.
That girl rude. She rude.
She's been doing this for 3 years now.
I know if you drop me, thank you. I bet drag her reach 1 year or 3 years.
Thank you, my sister. God bless you. Yes, because tomorrow I go begin a post coins. Now go hear me tomorrow. Now go see say I know they carry the talk. I get every evidence to take tag this girl is scammer.
Yeah, she needs to be stopped.
She will do everything. You know, if you trace her, you don't have a WhatsApp number, you didn't send the money to her account. There is no trace. He go say you love her.
Yeah.
You are a single mother. You're not there with man again. Does not mean you should be scamming people of their hard-earned money. It's bad. It's bad. Who is this?
You see, I was in that live. I was in that live earlier today.
Yeah. Okay. Share your experience with us.
Yeah, I think, sir, most of these things, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Is for gullible people. Sorry for it's for gullible people.
No, you are right.
Do you understand? I want to take my time and explain.
Okay.
I'm from Nigeria and I based in Lagos to be precise.
Okay.
So I obviously don't do TikTok. So about early this year, that's about January, Instagram dropped my account because I do just Instagram. So I make clothes, I sew clothes. So since I was trying to sort out the account and it wasn't coming up, I was able to navigate to doing TikTok. I don't know if you understand me, sir. I was able to navigate into doing TikTok and my account was stopped at 400 followers. Sir, do you understand me? Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I am hearing you.
Yeah.
Now, before you continue, I'm not listening. Not listening. Wait.
And then you are telling me that you want to hold it.
Sir.
You people that are doing this thing, I think that you people need to be, they need to give back to you again. And you, don't know what to do.
They are robots now. Amazing Valley, they are robots. They don't have any They are robots. I buy your stuff. I beg. Good evening.
I buy things on TikTok.
They are robots.
You see?
I beg my your stuff. Good evening.
I on TikTok too. I don't tell anybody. Go to see your TikTok.
I beg. You know, say this level with the human being, nobody's perfect. As that.
See, do you know what she just said? She said she did not tell anyone to buy any coins for her. He said, if na carry her go meet police, he said go defend himself, say, na una love am, that's why they buy am coins. Automatically, the case will be closed. Because the truth of the matter is that you not send the money to them for bank, you don't have a WhatsApp number, so you are just a fan.
Okay, her real name is Anita.
Okay, right. Bro, continue.
Okay, so Ellie, so after Instagram blocked my account early this year, okay, about last month, I was able to navigate to do my business. I said I make clothes on TikTok. I was stuck on 400 followers. To be very honest, I was stuck on 400 followers. So what I did, I just made a post, a random post for people wanting 10K. I think TikTok is even I noticed TikTok is even the easiest path to blow up in your business real quick. The TikTok space, the logarithm, I was even regretting how much the years I spent over time on Instagram. I wish I invested those years on TikTok. I would have been a billionaire.
Absolutely.
Because just last month, stopped on 400 followers. Currently, if you check my page, I'm up to 2,000 plus in few weeks. Just making a post. I made a post that gave me 300 and something K likes that is giving me visibility. So today, fast forward to today, I was just scrolling through TikTok and enters this lady's life. And I was trying to listen to what she was saying. Firstly, I wasn't pleased the way she was talking to people on her life. So she brought me up on her life and she said she can make me get up to a 10K followers. That people are making millions of TikTok. That's why I say this thing is for gullible people that are falling for her. So what she told me was by tomorrow, because she asked me if I want to, she's online with me. If I want to get the 10K immediately, she will tell me what to do. She will pay attention to me. I will go to Google, I will buy coin, and she will tell me how to activate it on live. That was this afternoon. I said, no problem, I can't make any transaction. I told her I can't make any transaction until like 12 a.m. So what she told me was, at the end of the day, you're telling me you're giving me a 10K followers for 300 and something thousand. Because she told me is it about 20 coins? I'm now saying how much? Is it 20,000? 300 and something thousand. And that is why I say people are gullible. I can't be paying 300,000 to get coin. If in few weeks I can get that visibility, how much more being consistent? So I feel once you're posting on your story, you're coming on people's life. This is the first time, sir, and I'm happy I'm on your live. This is the first time I'm coming on your live stream, and I'm happy and I'm super excited I'm on your live. Coming to people, when you come into a live where you get some sense, you will know. The lady says tomorrow I should make sure I send the money. When I looked at the money, 300,000 naira, and in a few weeks I'm getting this kind of visibility. Why will I pay 300,000 naira?
Okay.
So immediately I left the live because I thought I'll be back. Let me check my account. Do you know that I can make a screenshot? More than 10 people texted me. This lady is a scammer. This lady is a scammer. This lady is a scammer, and this lady is a scammer. Already, I'm happy for their awareness, but I knew I wasn't going. That's why I say it's for gullible people. I knew I wasn't just going to get 300,000 naira for just a 10K robotic followers that are not even active. I feel with the TikTok algorithm, it's easy, unlike what that I've done Instagram for a very long time. Once you're posting on your life, on your story, posting on your main page, coming to people's life, I can bet you with my life that it wouldn't even take you up to 1 month to start. TikTok will post your page or what you're doing, and you start gaining visibility. So this thing is for gullible people. Why will you pay such amount of money for a 10K followers?
Now, see what she do. When she wants to deceive them more, she will tell them, did you not go to TikTok King Live to give them? So why you complaining? TikTok King is not telling them that he wants to promote their page.
Okay.
TikTok King never promised anyone They are gifting from their heart. So TikTok King is not a scammer. You are a scammer because you are putting them under condition that they should give you 20,000 coins, 50,000 coins before you can be able to build the page for them. So the two is different.
And she's a thief. She's a thief because she's posting there no gifting, but you're accepting gift.
Yeah. No, thank you. And now somebody just wrote me now that, sir, our number on WhatsApp is a Nigerian WhatsApp number. You see wisdom?
No man,
yes, what you're saying now, she said it on the live. She said it on the live. A lady came to her live and complained bitterly that she removed her from the WhatsApp group. And she's saying the WhatsApp crashed. Bro, are you kidding me? WhatsApp's crashed. He said because she's in the UK and the WhatsApp number, so her bro, you was talking about having moderators. As
so because you be single mother, not be we put you for single mother position. Now man, when we give you belle, so why will you not be using it to scam people? To enrich yourself? And people are falling for her. Person will say one carry on reach 10,000 followers. He never reached 50,000 followers. Those are 37,000 followers she did. Person will say one God. More than joy better affiliated business. No. Now bad things now what go to put na money.
Thank you, sir. Please, so since you're also trying to protect people, I thank God you're also advising everybody not to be gullible. That's all.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate
it. Thank you to everyone that believes so much in this vision. Please, people should help me to share until it gets to the right authorities.
Thank you, sir. I'm grateful. Thank you for bringing me up, sir.